In 2026, these 3 AI skills will matter more than your college degree. Here's why you need to pay attention. First, let's talk about prompting. Imagine you're asking an AI to help write an email or generate a design. If your instructions are vague, the results will be off. But if you know how to give clear, detailed prompts, you'll get exactly what you want, much faster. It's like knowing the right words to unlock the best answers. Whether you're a marketer, a student, or running your own business, mastering prompting means you can get more done with less effort. Next, AI automation. This is about connecting different tools so your work runs on autopilot. Think about setting up an AI to sort your emails, schedule meetings, or even handle customer questions without you lifting a finger. Businesses are already saving hours every week by automating repetitive tasks. In 2026, those who understand AI automation will free up their time and focus on what really matters. Finally, human judgment. AI is powerful, but it can't understand context, ethics, or the bigger picture like you can. Knowing when to trust AI, when to double-check, and how to make the final call is a skill that beats any degree. Don't wait. Start learning these AI skills today. There are free tools and guides everywhere. Just Google it and get ahead.